we got another day and another state. Woo. We are heading into Maryland. So we got a rainy day today. It's a rainy travel day and a lot of traffic today. But as always, my trusty companion here is getting us where we need to be.
Trying.
Our little travel buddy down here. Hi. Hello. How are you doing? Yeah, she's not as happy as she was last night with her new toy, but she's hanging in there. Well, we've made it to the city. Now we wait.
Wait our turn.
Yep. So we don't know what we're doing today. We're gonna get down here and find a place to park and see what the day brings. We have made our way to Arlington.
Okay. Up top, you can see the Arlington house. And then out in the distance, you can see the Washington Monument between the trees up there. See if I can zoom in a little. That is not zoom.
And then just heroes everywhere. Alright, so we are coming up to the tomb of the unknown soldier. And we're getting here just in time, I think, for changing of the guard. And also with it being Memorial Day weekend, we can leave a flower on the tomb. So we'll take some video, but I don't think there's going to be much in the way of talking. So with that, let's go get some flowers.
It's a pretty walk. It's wet.
It is, but it's beautiful.
It's pretty. It's heavy.
Fitting, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, there's the trolley.
Alright, welcome back everyone. I'm your narrator Fitz. Great driver Mo getting us through the cemetery safely. Remember, stay seated at all times while the vehicle is in motion. Keep everything inside the vehicle at all times. Our next stop will be Arlington House. Alright, stay seated. Going on to Arlington House. So before Arlington was a cemetery, it was an 1,100-acre plantation owned by George Washington Parke Custis. George Washington Parke Custis was the adopted grandson of George Washington. And George Washington Parke Custis was somewhere enamored of his step-grandfather. Now, when the enslaved workers built Arlington House, it was set up almost as a memorial to a second Mount Vernon, with all sorts of George Washington memorabilia, pictures, clothing, manuscripts, even the tent that he used in Georgetown. So George Washington Parke Custis and his wife have a daughter, Mary. She marries Robert E. Lee. They get married in Arlington House. Have 6 of their 7 children in Arlington House. So when George Washington Parke Custis passes away, the rights to Arlington House pass on to the daughter. Robert E. Lee never owned Arlington House. What he did was administer the estate for his late father-in-law. Now, Arlington House is the highest point in Arlington National Cemetery, which made it extremely important for the Union to take control of the property. When Robert E. Lee joined the Confederacy, put a few cannons in front of Arlington House. You have Washington, D.C. at your mercy. May 23rd, 1861, Virginia ratified secession from the Union. May 24th, this day, 1861, Union troops move in and take possession of Arlington House.
So now we are at the Arlington House. Oh my gosh, the view. And if you get the National Park Passport, I would highly advise that you put it in your purse or somewhere other than the glove box of your Jeep, where you'll no doubt forget to bring it with you. It's just a little PSA. Sometimes they have little slips of paper that you can get your stamp on in there. Wow. Don't know how well you'll be able to see it since it's a overcast day, but it's beautiful.
It's a view.
Wow. I bet this would be a really great spot for viewing the Memorial Day Parade.
Think so?
Mm-hmm. I do.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Please go on in.
Thank you.
Hi, guys.
He was not here when it happened, but he had paid for a company to come in before he was sent out on his next assignment in Texas. So, like, the paintings you see, he was...
Family parlor. The religious center of the mansion.
How do you feel about that crooked painting?
I've just noticed that and I was like, oh, I really want to fix it.
Do you see all the paintings up here?
Oh, wow.
He was one of the first truly American artists. He also did George Washington's portrait and a bunch of others. You can tell that that is showing a change of, since American independence, we're starting to kind of have our own art, and these people are getting real training. Lafayette did not. No, Pierre L'Enfant, who's also French. The name is pretty similar. Yes, he is. And did you see L'Enfant up here? Yes. He is. Yes. Yeah. But his grave was found 8 years later and brought here to Arlington since he had served the revolution.
Got a nice little view here of that's the Lincoln, right?
Lincoln.
The Lincoln Memorial.
It's pretty.
It is.
The bridge and all the flags. We opted for, we're prepared for the rain. We're not going to get it. We're not, you know, we're not going to get as lucky as we did last time.
No.
But today we're taking the Old Town Trolley around DC to find out the lay of the land, figure out where we want to go, where we need to stay. So we had to park at Union Station to get on the trolley, get some decent parking. So that's where we're at.
Pretty.
So figure we show you Union Station. Just showing everybody the things, all the statues, all the gold inlay. Pretty cool.
Not something we had on our list for the day, but I'll take it.
Yep, something different. And plus, if we come back here, we got plenty of food options. Yep, so. When you come out, apparently at lunchtime, this is the place to be. Oh, here comes the trolley. It's the same guy that dropped us off.
It is. He's the guy. I'm happy with that.
Pretty awesome. Anyways, let's go get on the trolley.